The first piece to our throwing is going to be the exchange or the transfer. This is something that really just recently has started to shift kind of what the thoughts are and how people go about it. Before we dive into what we do as far as our technique or what we work on in our drills, the first thing I'm going to say is it's kind of similar to our blocking. Whatever gets the job done is what we need to do come game time. So we may work on something in our drills and in practice, but come game time, I need you to be an athlete and I need you to just react. So what you may see happen on the field may be different from what we work on, and that's okay. But as far as our technique goes, this is how we're going to go about it. The first thing, and in a lot of our transfer drill work, you're going to see our guys are going to start with their thumb right in the center of their chest. You can see my logo is a good landmark for us to use for the video, but that thumb's going to go right in the center of that logo. And the reason it's there is because that's where I want the transfer to happen. Again, it used to kind of be taught to rip this thing up towards the ear and really turn that hand to the sky. We don't necessarily do that. We know if you watch an infielder or you watch a quarterback holding the football, they're going to hold that from the center of their chest and they're going to separate from the center of their chest. So we're going to work on that with our transfers. Again, we start a lot of times with that thumb right in the center where my logo is. I'm going to catch the ball, I'm going to get it to the center, and I'm going to separate from there. And when I separate, ideally I've got a four-seam grip. I'm doing that kind of bow and arrow action where I load the scap. I'm keeping my hands nice and tight. I'm keeping my hand inside my elbow. That's what I mean by nice and tight. And I want to stay really compact with what I do. So again, that's what we work on in our drill work. Now you may see big leaguers or guys come game time, you may see some transfers that happen maybe down near the belly button or the right hip. And you may see the glove turn down. That's not necessarily wrong. Again, whatever gets the job done, that's just not something we drill, okay? So what we drill and what we do may be different at times, but as far as what we're trying to accomplish in our drill work, we want to exchange in the center of the chest. We want to keep that ball nice and tight. As we go to separate, we want to keep the hand inside the elbow. We want to load the scap, and we want to be able to get rid of the baseball from there.